Okay, so I just finished cleaning these buttons. They were pretty grimy and dirty. I didn't do a perfect job, but it's good enough. This is for my own documentation purposes only. If anybody else wants a benefit off of it, feel free. So that's how you take off this switch from that. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. They work perfect. My first grease that I used, or lube, was this. It's bicycle grease. Horrible. My button got stuck, so I had to clean it out, and I went to AutoZone and they recommended this. Well, of course, this is for building engines and bearings, so this did not work. I was gonna try to use this because some other guy at AutoZone told me to use this, and I decided not to. So finally, I decided to use this, and it worked perfect. So I know I'm doing this backwards, but there's that plug, the female and the male plug. So if you turn it around, now it's backwards. So I guess I would say on the passenger side, that's where the clip is at. You push down to remove it. This is the back, and it's clipped in. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, which these are the clips, 1 on every corner. Goes in there. And there it is. And to take it out, mind you, it's all the way pushed in. To take it out, put your fingers there and pull, and it's out. Just line them up correctly. Easy peasy.